All right, I'm going to give you a tour of my dart room here. This is the entry. There's a couch, table, little pocket bar over here with drinks, running water, all the bar glasses in case you'd like to have a drink while we're playing. And then here's the darts. Got the board up here, surrounded by 1.5-inch high density foam covered with marine vinyl for if you miss the board. Got a whiteboard scoreboard right there, and over here a computer with the TV for being able to see the scores, and a 10-key quick pad here for quick scoring. So a microphone and associated camera permanently mounted for online games. And there's the spotlights. But the spectator bar here has all my darts on it and display, and then a little whetstone for knocking a quick burr off the tip of a dart. The alley itself, there's the hockey, has a rubber mat 7mm thick, nice. If it bounce out happens, then the dart either sticks or doesn't, but it doesn't damage the hardwood floor beneath. And there's a little fridge with beer and ice, and the running lights here on the spectator bar can change the brightness of them. Just a neat little ambiance thing. And then over here, got this cabinet with a drawer, trash can. These little drawers here are for flights and tools and darts accessories, whatever you might need. It's my little trophy from my first 180. The spectator bar is just a nice place to sit and watch a game. So if other people are throwing, you can sit here. It's got these little 1-foot charger cables that have all 3 different phone type connectors on them. Multiple USB port. Just a comfortable little spot to sit. I got the 1-foot things so my kids wouldn't steal them for their phones in their rooms. But here's the fun part. It's all, being a smart connected room. I have the can lights up here for ambient lighting in the room. I can say, hey Google, let's throw darts.
Arrows away.
She'll change the colors of the lights and turn on the spotlights for me. Also have those drop lights there for the bar itself. So pretty good pretty good light with those spotlights. Very little shadow. And then the 4th light, of course, shines on the scoreboard. Here's the, you can see the safety of this rubber mat. So that's it. It's a tour of my dart room. Hope you enjoyed it.